Adventures of Toto. It's a very nice story about a monkey. So let us see what is in the story. Grandfather bought Toto from a Tonga driver from the sum of 5 rupees. 5 रुपये में उसने टांगे के ड्राइवर दादाजी ने खरीद लिया एक बंदर. The Tonga driver used to keep the little red monkey tied to a feeding trough. And the monkey looked so out of place there that grandfather decided that he would add the little fellow to his private zoo. वो उसको अपने गाड़ी में बांध के रखता था. दादाजी ने उसको सोचा कि इसको एक जू में रखूँगा. टोटो वॉज ए प्रेटी मंकी. हिज ब्राइट आइज स्पार्कल्ड विद मिस्चीफ. शरारती चमकती आँखें थी उसकी टोटो की. बीनीथ डीप सेट आईब्रोज, बड़ी बड़ी भौहों के नीचे. एंड हिज टीथ विच वर अ पर्ली वाइट, दे वर वेरी वाइट इन कलर, वर वेरी ऑफन डिस्प्लेड इन ए स्माइल. वो स्माइल में दिखाई देते थे. दैट फ्रैटेंड द लाइफ आउट ऑफ एल्डरली एंग्लो इंडियन लेडीज़. तो वो हंसता था अपने बड़े बड़े दांतों से, तो औरतें जो थी वो एंग्लो इंडियन औरतें डर जाती थी. बट हिज हैंड लुक ड्राइड अप एज दो दे हैड बीन पिकल्ड इन द सन फॉर मैनी ईयर्स. हाथ इतने सूखे हुए लगते जैसे धूप में सूख गए हों. Yet his fingers were quick and wicked. उसकी उंगलियां बड़ी तेज. And his tail, while adding to his good looks, the tail was very pretty. Grandfather believed a tail would add to anyone's good looks. Also served as a third hand. The tail was just like a third hand for Toto. He could use it to hang from a branch. वो एक टहनी से लटक भी सकता था उससे. And until it was capable of scooping up any delicacy that might be out of reach of his hands. Whenever he used to get something tasty on the trees, he used to use that tail. Grandmother always fussed when grandfather brought home some new bird or animal. दादी जब भी कोई नया जानवर दादा लाते तो बहुत फस करती थी, whether it was bird or whether it was animal. So it was decided that Toto's presence should be kept a secret from her. So grandfather did not tell grandmother about Toto when he brought him, until she was in a particularly good mood. Grandfather and I put him away in a little closet in an almirah drawer, opening into my bedroom wall. Toto was brought and kept in the closet secret drawer, where he was tied securely. उसे कस के बांध दिया गया. और so we thought to a peg fastened into the wall. कीली दीवार में लगी हुई थी, उसके साथ उसको बांध दिया गया. After few hours, when grandfather and I came back to release Toto, जब हम उसे उसमें से निकालने आए, we found that the walls, which had been covered with some ornamental paper chosen by grandfather, now stood out as naked brick and plaster. Grandfather had covered the wall with some decorative papers, but now there was no paper there. The wall was naked and the plaster was out. सारी दीवार टूट फूट गई थी. The peg in the wall, वो जो कील लगी थी दीवार में, had been wrenched from his socket. और वो टोटो जो था वो कील खींच के दीवार से तोड़ के प्लास्टर तोड़ दिया था. And my school blazer, which had been hanging there, was in shred. और the blazer was on the wall. It was also into pieces, cut by the monkey into pieces. Shred means pieces. I wondered what grandmother would say. मुझे लगा दादी क्या कहेगी. But grandfather did not worry. He seemed pleased with Toto's performance. But he was very happy with Toto's performance. He is clever, said grandfather. बहुत चालाक है. Given time, I am sure he would have tied the torn pieces of your blazer into a rope. ज़्यादा समय मिलता तो वो शायद तुम्हारे blazer, he would have turned your blazer into a rope and made his escape from the window. और वो शायद उसको तुम्हारी blazer से लटक के रस्सी बना के भाग जाता. His presence in the house still a secret. Nobody knew about him in the house. Toto was now transferred to a big cage in the servants' quarter. एक बड़े से पिंजरे में उसे नौकर के कमरे में रख दिया गया. Where a number of grandfather's pets lived very sociably together. Where other animals also lived in a very friendly manner over there. A tortoise, a pair of rabbit, a tame squirrel, and for a while my pet goat. But the monkey wouldn't allow any of his companions to sleep at night. बंदर रात को किसी को सोने नहीं देता था. So grandfather, who had to leave the Dehradun next day to collect his pension in Saharanpur, decided to take him along. So grandfather thought that it was not safe to leave Toto there, so he took him to Saharanpur. Unfortunately, I could not accompany grandfather on that trip. But the writer could not go with grandfather that day, but he told me afterwards. A big black canvas kit bag was provided for Toto. एक बड़ा सा थैला लिया गया टोटो के लिए. This with some straw at the bottom. नीचे कुछ घास बिछाई गई, became his new abode, became his new home. While the bag was closed, there was no escape. जब बैग बंद हो गया तो he would not run away. Toto could not get his hands through the opening and the canvas was too strong for him to bite his way through. There was no other way to come out of that bag, and the canvas and the cloth of the bag was also very strong, so he could not go out from it. His efforts to get out only had the effect of making the bag roll about on the floor. Whenever he tried, the bag rolled on the floor or occasionally jump into the air. He would only jump with the bag into the air, but he was not able to come out. An exhibition that attracted a curious crowd of onlookers on the Dehradun railway platform. So this was a thing which attracted the jumping of Toto attracted all the people on the platform. Toto remained in the bag as far as Saharanpur, but while grandfather producing his ticket, when grandfather was showing his ticket to the ticket collector at the railway turnstile, Toto suddenly poked his head out of the bag. अचानक टोटो ने अपना सिर उसी बीच थैले से बाहर निकाला and gave the ticket collector a wide look. बड़ी सी आंखों से उसने टिकट कलेक्टर को देखा. The poor man was taken aback. He was shocked, but with great presence of mind and much to grandfather's annoyance. But he used his brain and did not make grandfather angry. Sir, you have a dog with you. Sir, आपके साथ एक कुत्ता भी है. You will have to pay for it accordingly. You have to pay the ticket of this dog. In vain did grandfather take Toto out of the bag. In vain did he try to prove that a monkey did not qualify as a dog. बेकार में दादाजी को फिर वो टोटो को बैग से निकालना पड़ा और बताना पड़ा कि ये बंदर है, कुत्ता नहीं. और इवन एज ए quadruped, Toto was classified a dog by the ticket collector, and 3 rupees was the sum handed over. 3 रुपये उसका किराया was taken by the ticket collector. Then grandfather, just to get his own bag, took from his pocket our pet tortoise and said, "What must I pay for?" उसने अपनी जेब से कछुआ निकाला, बोला इसके लिए क्या दे दूँ? Since you charge for all the animals. The ticket collector looked closely at the tortoise, prodded it with his forefinger, उसने उसको उंगली से हिलाया. Gave grandfather a pleased and triumphant look. बहुत हंस के मुस्कुरा के उसने दादाजी को देखा and said, "No charges. It's not a dog. We only charge for the dog." When Toto was finally accepted by mother, he was given a comfortable home in the stable. अंत में दादी मान गई इसको रखने को, उसे घोड़ों के अस्तबल में रख दिया गया. Where he had for a companion the family donkey Nana. वहाँ पर उसके पास एक और भी साथी था. In the stable there lived Toto. Toto had a companion in that stable, that is Nana the donkey. On Toto's first night in the stable, grandfather paid him a visit to see if he is comfortable. On the very first day in the stable, grandfather went to see that he was comfortable over there. To his surprise, he found Nana without apparent cause, pulling at her halter and trying to keep her head as far as possible from a bundle of hay. There he saw that the donkey was trying to keep himself, was poking his head in some grass. Grandfather gave Nana a slap. दादाजी ने नाना द डोंकी को एक पीठ में मारा एंड शी जग बैक. और वो जो घोड़ी थी थोड़ी सी उछली. ड्रैगिंग टोटो विद हर. टोटो उसके साथ साथ आ रहा था. ही हैड फास्टन ऑन टू हर लॉन्ग ईयर्स विद दिस शार्प लिटिल टीथ. टोटो एंड नाना नेवर बिकेम फ्रेंड्स. उन दोनों की दोस्ती कभी नहीं हुई. अ ग्रेट ट्रीट फॉर टोटो ड्यूरिंग कोल्ड विंटर इवनिंग वॉज अ लार्ज बॉल ऑफ वार्म वाटर गिवन बाय ग्रैंड मदर फॉर हिज बाथ. It was only one thing which Toto liked, that was in the evening time when grandmother used to give him bath with the hot water. That was the best thing liked by Toto. He would cunningly test the temperature with his hand. Very cleverly Toto checked the temperature of the water, then gradually step into the bath. फिर नहाने चला जाता. First one foot, then the other, until he was into the water up to his neck. पहले एक पैर डालता, फिर हाथ, फिर पूरा गर्दन तक उसमें टब में बैठ जाता था. Once comfortable, he would take the soap in his hand or feet. एक बार उसको आराम मिलता तो वो साबुन लेता, गीला करता और अपने आप को साबुन लगा लेता. When the water become cold, जब पानी ठंडा हो जाता, he would get out and run as quickly as he could to the kitchen. फिर वो तेज़ी से किचन में भागता. Fire in order to dry himself. और आग के आगे खड़ा होकर अपने को सुखा लेता. If anyone laughed at him during this performance, if anybody made fun of Toto, Toto's feelings would be hurt and he would refuse to go on with his bath. उसके बाद फिर वो नहाता नहीं था. He felt very bad. One day Toto nearly succeeded in boiling himself alive. एक दिन तो उसने अपने आप को गर्म पानी से जला ही लिया था. A large kitchen kettle had been left on the fire to boil. केतली आग पे रखी थी पानी उबलने के लिए चाय का. And Toto, finding himself with nothing better to do, टोटो को लगा आज कुछ करने को नहीं है, decided to remove the lid. उसने ढक्कन हटा दिया केटल का. He removed the lid of the kettle. Finding the water just warm enough for a bath, he thought that it was the same water as warm as for the bath. He got in with his head sticking out from the open kettle. अंदर गया, अपना सिर डाला केतली में. This was just fine for a while until the water began to boil. Until the water began to boil, Toto then raised himself a little, but finding it cold outside, sat down again. बाहर ठंडा देखियो फिर उसमें ही बैठ गया. He continued hopping up and down for some time until grandmother arrived and hauled him, half boiled, out of her kettle. वो आधा जली गया था, दादी आई और उसने इसको निकाला. If there is a part of the brain especially devoted to mischief, that part was largely developed in Toto. Toto was very mischievous. He was always tearing things to pieces. सब चीज़ों को वो काट फाट देता था. Whenever one of my aunts came near him, एक बार मेरी जो बुआ थी उसके पास गई. He made every effort to get hold of her dress. और वो उसने उसकी ड्रेस पकड़ी और उसमें छेद कर दिया. One day at lunchtime, a large dish of plow stood in the center of the dining table. खाना रखा हुआ था टेबल पर. We entered the room to find Toto shuffling himself with rice. ने देखा टोटो चावल खा रहा. My grandmother screamed. She shouted and Toto threw a plate at her. टोटो ने वो पूरी प्लेट दादी पे फेंकी. One of my aunts rushed forward. मेरी बुआ आगे आई and received a glass of water in the face. पानी टोटो ने उसके चेहरे पे फेंका. When grandfather arrived, Toto picked up the dish of plow. तो दादाजी आए तो टोटो ने चावल उठाया, चावल की का बर्तन उठाया एंड मेड हिज एग्जिट थ्रू विंडो, और खिड़की से बाहर चला गया. वी फाउंड हिम इन द ब्रांचेज ऑफ द जैक फ्रूट ट्री. हमने देखा वो कटहल के पेड़ पे बैठ गया. द डिश स्टिल इज हैंड इन हिज आर्म्स. अभी भी उसके हाथों में वो चावल का कटोरा था. डिटरमाइंड ऑन फिनिशिंग एवरी ग्रेन. ही वॉज थिंकिंग टू finish every grain of the rice. And then in order to spite grandmother who had screamed at him, फिर उसको खुश करने के लिए दादी को, he threw the dish down. उसने वो कटोरा पेड़ से नीचे फेंक दिया. And chattered with delight and was very happy when it broke into 100 pieces. And he laughed when that dish of glass broke. He was very happy. Obviously, it was very clear Toto was not the sort of pet. साफ पता लगा था टोटो उन पालतू जानवरों में से नहीं था who we would keep for long, जिसको हम ज़्यादा दिन तक रख पाते. Even grandfather realized that. Grandfather also knew that now it was not good to keep Toto at home. We were not well to do. We were not that rich and could not afford the frequent loss of dishes. हम इतने बर्तनों का नुकसान, clothes, curtains and wallpaper, इतनी चीज़ों को का नुकसान हम नहीं उठा सकते थे. So grandfather found the Tonga driver. So grandfather searched for the Tonga driver from whom he purchased Toto and sold Toto back to him. उसने टोटो दोबारा टोंगे वाले को बेच दिया only for 3 rupees. In 3 rupees he sold Toto back to the person from whom he bought in the very beginning. So this is the story by the famous author, writer Ruskin Bond. The adventures, the activities, the exciting games and activities of Toto the monkey. This is a story which you must have liked, children. Now I am giving you the question answers of this story separately. Listen to the video, listen to the story and try to do the question answers.